Hey guitarists, this is another tutorial, this time for the song Be Still. Yeah, it's a really simple song, so there's not a lot in terms of specific lead lines for us. There is one lead line, but it is quite an important song for the electric guitarist to play in terms of how we play it, what style, what tone we use, when we play, when we come in, when we come out. So it's quite an important song, I guess, in terms of less is more approach. But yeah, so if we look at the key of D, which is the female key for the song, probably the key we'd play it in mostly. So the chords are D, E minor, B minor, and G. And it's just that the whole time. So really for us, as a guitarist, we need to be playing around those chords, different shapes, and how we can play most effectively. What I think would sound best in terms of my pedal board is I've got a lot of reverb on and I've got a reverse delay on. So if you hear you can hear it kind of sucking the note back. That's the reverse delay, and that sounds really nice, I think. So the one lead line that there is, it comes in, if you listen to the song, I think it's at the end of the verse, and what that is it's this line. So those notes again, so starting, if it's in the key of D, it's on the 12th fret, and then 14, and then next string down, 12, and then 14 next string down. So, and just let it ring out. So you want to hit it nice and like attack it quite a bit. And then we just go back to the chords will just keep playing underneath. And then it goes again. That the Lord is in control, won't be afraid. And then we go into the chorus. So that lead line leads us into the chorus. So yeah, that's basically it in terms of lead lines, but some interesting chord shapes that I would play is for the D, I find the D root note. I like this open chord, so it's just 7, 7, and 5. So we have D, then we have E minor, so I slide up and go like that. Then we have B minor, take this ring finger off. So these are kind of like little triads. And then for the G, like that. So you can pause it and look at my fingers closely, and then just vary your finger picking up. And that's just the chords, D, E minor, B minor, and G. But yeah, just trying to figure out some different ways to play it. Yeah, but that lead line, it's basically it for us. Thanks guys.